Hey guys, CryptoDad here again, and today I'm going to show you how to update your Monero wallets to the new 0.15 version, the Carbon Chameleon version. So let's get started. All right, so the new version of Monero is out and will need to be enabled before November 30th when they upgrade their network. So you definitely want to get this updated wallet. Now, the version is 0.15.0.1 and it's easily downloaded. You don't have to uninstall the old wallet if you use the Windows installer. So I like the Windows installer. It just kind of installs it in all of its default locations. But if you really want to, you can uninstall the wallet through your Windows apps. So you can just go over here to apps and choose uninstall. If you find the Monero wallet there. All right. Now you see that I've got the current version installed, but if you've still got 0.14.0, you can do an uninstall. Now, this will not erase the Monero blockchain or your wallets. So the Monero blockchain is in a special folder in your program data folder. It's usually a hidden folder in Windows, and that's where all the blockchain data is stored. And your Monero wallets are stored in the Monero folder in your documents folder. That's where the default location of your wallets are. So if you uninstall the wallet program itself, it's not going to affect either of those folders, but it will get rid of the old version. But they tell you that you can go ahead and install the new version on top of the old version. So now if you downloaded the zip version and just decompressed it in a folder, you can just download the zip version again and decompress it in a different folder, right? It's entirely up to you. So just click the install download here. I like the Windows installer. You can drop it down in your downloads folder, and then always use this hash to verify your download once you get it downloaded, right? You'll want to just copy that into your clipboard, and you can use an online hash. Oops. All right, there's a nice one here. And just choose that file. All right. Open it up. Make sure it's a SHA-256. All right. And then you'll paste in the one that you got from their website to compare it with your own and make sure it's a match, right? And then you can go on and just run the installer from there. So pretty straightforward. Now, there is one little catch if you're using the Ledger Nano X. So let me show you how that goes. All right, so when you first launch the wallet, you're going to get to this point here. You'll choose language, English, and continue. You don't have to choose. The default is English, right? I like advanced mode, and it downloads the entire blockchain to your computer. Now, here's where we get a little tricky if you're using a ledger, right? If you choose open wallet from file. All right, so if you're going to open a wallet that you previously had connected to your ledger, you'll enter the Monero app by clicking both buttons on top of the Monero app, right? Then you'll just choose the wallet and enter your password. You'll click OK, and you get this crazy message. Couldn't open wallet, wrong device status. All right, and there's been a lot on the internet about what that's all about. So basically, there was a small bug which has been fixed. So in order to get past this, what you're going to need to do is go to Ledger Live and download the latest version of the Monero app. So I'll show you how to do that. Really straightforward. All right, so when you open up your Ledger Live, you're going to want to go over here to the manager. And then you're going to make sure, we were just in our Monero app. We're just going to go ahead and exit out. So we'll just navigate over here to quit and hit both buttons. Now we're back up at the desktop, right? And that should allow us access. And then we're going to have to confirm to allow the Ledger Manager on the device. We'll hit both buttons. All right, and then the manager should launch. Now what we want to do is delete the Monero app on our device. So we go down here to where it says Monero. This is version 1.4.2. I believe it's showing me the latest version, right? If I go to my Monero app and check the version, it's 1.3.1, right? So we want to upgrade that. So let's go back. We'll exit out of this. Let's go back into our manager. So in order to upgrade this to the latest version, what you need to do is uninstall your old one, right? So just click that little trash can, and you'll see that it's going to process out and take off the existing Monero app. Now remember, this does not erase your private keys. Your private keys are stored safely on the device by math, right? It actually does delete it, but when you reinstall the app, it regenerates the exact same wallet. So that's the way the ledger works. It's a failsafe, right? So now we're going to install version 1.4.2. And there we go. We got it. Now we'll just close this out. We don't need Ledger Manager anymore. But now we've got the latest version. So if we go into the app, right, and then we navigate over to About, we'll hit both buttons. There you can see we've got version 1.4.2, right? Pretty simple, right? Now we're at the home screen. Let's go back to our Monero wallet. Right, and then this time we'll go ahead and enter our password again. All right, and then we'll hit OK. And there, see, that's what we expect to see, that export key. Then we'll go ahead and hit our button, hit accept with both buttons, and now we're back in our ledger-based Monero wallet. And then all we need to do is allow the daemon to sync up to the blockchain, and for the wallet to sync, and it will read your current balance, whatever you had stored in there before. Don't panic, because I emptied mine out last week when I realized there was this bug, but that's beside the point, right? Everything's been fixed now. All you need to do is download the latest version of the Monero wallet, and then upgrade your device to the latest version of the Monero app on your Ledger X or Ledger S, and you'll be good to go. So if there's any questions about anything I did, please throw them up in the comments. I'll do my best to get them answered. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you'd like to subscribe to my channel, I would appreciate it. When you subscribe, there's a little bell that you can click that will allow you to be alerted whenever I post new content. Once again, thanks for joining me, and hope to see you again soon.